Most people waste $5 a day without thinking, but if you saved and invested it instead, you could end up with hundreds of thousands or even millions over time. Let me show you the math. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Let's talk about getting rich, not just in the way you see in movies or on social media, but in a way that's actually achievable for almost anyone. But not in the way you think. Forget the overnight success stories, the viral business ideas, or the fantasy of stumbling into a windfall. Forget lottery wins or wild business ideas. Most people spend years hoping for a lucky break, but the truth is, real wealth is built on something much simpler. The real secret? $5. That's right, just a single bill, the kind you might find in your pocket or under your couch cushions. The price of a coffee or a snack can change your financial future. It sounds almost too simple, but that's exactly why most people overlook it. Most people overlook the power of small, consistent actions. They think big results require big moves, but the truth is, it's the little things done every day that add up. You don't get fit with one epic workout, you get fit with daily effort. The same principle applies to your money. Wealth works the same way. It's not about one big leap, but about steady, repeated steps in the right direction. Saving $5 a day is like doing a few push-ups every morning. Boring at first, but transformative over time. It's a habit that compounds quietly and powerfully. People chase excitement, but real wealth is built quietly, through habits. The richest people aren't always the flashiest. They're the most consistent. This isn't about deprivation. It's about discipline and long-term thinking. It's about making small choices every day that add up to something huge. Forget complicated investments or needing a huge salary. You don't need to be a financial genius or earn six figures to start building wealth. Start with $5 a day, that's it. It's manageable, realistic, and anyone can do it. I'll show you how that tiny amount can grow into a fortune. Over months and years, those small deposits multiply, thanks to the magic of compounding. We'll break down the math, share real stories of people who started small and ended up with life-changing savings, and give you practical tips you can use right away to make saving $5 a day effortless. Your journey to financial freedom starts with just $5. It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Ready to see how far it can take you? Let's get started. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. The $5 habit is your first step to wealth. Start today and watch your future transform, one small step at a time. Let's crunch the numbers. Saving $5 a day is $35 a week, $150 a month. In a year, that's $1,825. That's a vacation, a safety net, or a down payment. But the real magic is in consistency. 5 years, over $9,000, 10 years, $18,000, 20 years, $36,000. Each $5 decision is a brick. Over time, you build a wall of wealth. Most people quit because the early results seem small, but the numbers don't lie. Small, steady savings beat big, sporadic efforts. This is how wealth is built. One day, one decision at a time. Don't underestimate the power of daily action. The secret isn't luck, it's discipline. Stick with it, and watch your money grow. The math is simple, but the results are life-changing. Saving is just the start. Investing is where your money multiplies. Enter compound interest. Your money earns returns, and those returns earn more returns. Let's say you invest your $5 a day in a low-cost index fund, averaging 7% a year. After 10 years, you'd have over $26,000. Not just the $18,000 you saved. 20 years? Over $78,000. You put in $36,000, but your investments earned you $42,000 more. That's the snowball effect. Your money working harder than you do. After 40 years, your $5 habit could grow to nearly $400,000. You contributed $73,000. The rest is pure growth. This is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. The earlier you start, the bigger the payoff. Compound interest rewards patience and consistency. Don't just save, invest, and let time do the heavy lifting. $5 a day can change your life. That's the real secret to getting rich. Let's see how this works in real life. Sometimes, the biggest financial transformations start with the smallest decisions. Tiny changes that seem almost insignificant at first, but over time they can completely reshape your future. Take Sarah, for example. Fresh out of college, she was eager to save but didn't know where to start. Instead of her daily coffee shop run, she decided to make her own coffee at home. It was a simple switch, but it saved her $5 every single day. To make saving effortless, Sarah set up an automatic transfer from her checking to her savings account. She barely noticed the change in her routine, but the results were dramatic. After just a few years, those small daily savings added up to over $10,000, money she never would have had otherwise. That money gave her a sense of security and freedom. When her car broke down unexpectedly, she didn't panic or reach for a credit card. She simply paid the bill, grateful for the cushion she'd built with her small, consistent habit. Then there's David, a factory worker who decided to quit smoking. Instead of letting the money he used to spend on cigarettes disappear, he put it into a savings jar every week. It wasn't easy at first, but he stuck with it. David started saving later in life, but he didn't let that stop him. Over 15 years, his small weekly deposits grew into more than $100,000. Enough for him to retire comfortably and enjoy the next chapter of his life. These aren't extraordinary people with huge salaries or perfect financial plans. They're just regular folks who made one small, consistent choice and stuck with it day after day. The lesson here is simple but powerful. It's never too late to start, and small changes really do add up. Even if you can only save a little at a time, those efforts compound and grow. You don't need a big salary, a fancy job, or a flawless plan. All you need is the willingness to start with what you have, no matter how modest it may seem. The first step is often the hardest, but once you begin, momentum builds. Just start with what you have, and stick with it. Over time, you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. Real wealth isn't built overnight or by winning the lottery. It's built by ordinary people making simple, smart decisions again and again until those choices become habits that shape their future. Your story could be next. Imagine what you could achieve if you started today, even with just a few dollars a week. Set a goal, write it down, and take that first step. The $5 habit isn't just for Sarah or David. It works for anyone, at any age, in any situation. Whether you're saving for an emergency, a dream vacation, or your future retirement, small daily actions make a big difference. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. You'll make mistakes along the way, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep moving forward, learning, and adjusting as you go. Start today, and watch your future transform. With every small change, you're building a foundation for big success. The journey begins with a single step, and your future self will thank you. Where do you find $5 a day? Start by tracking your spending. Most of us have small leaks. Swap coffee shop visits for homemade brews. Pack lunch instead of buying it. Cancel unused subscriptions or memberships. Cut impulse buys. Stick to a shopping list and wait before online purchases. Call your service providers and ask for better rates. Even a small bill reduction adds up. Combine a few of these and you'll easily find your $5. It's not about sacrifice, it's about being intentional. The money is there, you just have to look. Make saving a daily habit and watch your wealth grow. Finding $5 is step 1. Making it a habit is step 2. The trick? Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate account. Out of sight, out of mind. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, consistency is what matters. Automation removes willpower from the equation. Link your saving to a daily routine, like transferring $5 when you make coffee at home. This reinforces your new habit and makes saving feel rewarding. Track your progress. Watching your balance grow is motivating. Celebrate milestones, even small ones. Building wealth is about making good habits stick. The easier you make it, the more likely you'll keep going. Consistency beats intensity every time. Make saving automatic, and you'll never have to think about it. The habit is the real secret to success. Start today and let your system do the work. Saving isn't always easy. Life throws curveballs. If you hit a rough patch, it's okay to pause. Don't let a setback turn into quitting. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Restart your savings as soon as you can. Build a small emergency fund first, about $1,000 to handle surprises. This keeps your investment plan on track. Motivation can fade, so keep your goals visible. Write them down, put up reminders, or join a community for support. Share your wins and struggles. It helps you stay accountable. Remember, setbacks are temporary. Stay focused on your long-term vision and keep moving forward. Once saving is a habit, make your money work harder. Move beyond a basic savings account, invest for growth. Low-cost index funds or ETFs are simple and effective. They spread your risk and grow your money over time. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account. As your income grows, increase your savings rate. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Let raises boost your investments, not your spending. Use tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA. If your employer matches contributions, take full advantage. These tools supercharge your savings. The habit you built with $5 a day makes bigger goals possible. Let your money work for you and watch your wealth accelerate. No matter your age, background, or income, the best time to start is now. Whether you're just beginning your career, raising a family, or even approaching retirement, it's never too late to take control of your financial future. Every journey starts with a single step, and your financial journey can begin today, right where you are. Don't wait for the perfect plan or the perfect moment, just take the first step. Open a separate account, even if it feels small or insignificant. The act of starting is more important than having everything figured out. You don't need a windfall or a big raise to begin, you just need to start. Find your first $5. It might seem like a tiny amount, but it's the foundation of something much bigger. That small bill is a symbol of your commitment to change, and it's the first building block of your future wealth. Set up an automatic transfer, even if it's just a few dollars a week. Automating your savings takes the pressure off and helps you build consistency. Over time, these small, regular contributions add up in ways you might not expect. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity for growth. Time is one of your greatest allies when it comes to building wealth. The sooner you start, the more your money can work for you, thanks to the power of compounding and steady progress. This journey is about more than just money. It's about gaining freedom, peace of mind, and control over your life. Financial security means less stress, more choices, and the ability to handle life surprises with confidence. The security you build lets you live life on your terms. It gives you the freedom to spend more time with loved ones, pursue your passions, and enjoy the moments that matter most. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-rich-slowly plan that actually works. Real wealth is built over time, with patience and persistence. Each small step forward is progress, and every dollar saved is a seed for your future. You have the power to change your financial future, no matter where you're starting from. Set your goals, believe in yourself, and take action. Every positive choice you make brings you closer to the life you want. Will you take action, or go back to old habits? Find your $5, skip a coffee, cancel a subscription, make a change. Do it again tomorrow and the next day. These small sacrifices today will become your rewards tomorrow. You won't feel rich overnight, and that's okay. Building wealth is a gradual process. There will be days when progress feels slow, but patience and consistency are your greatest tools. One day you'll look back and be amazed at how far you've come. The small steps you took, the habits you built, and the choices you made will add up to something truly meaningful. The wealth you build will be your reward for starting today. Your journey begins now, and every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom and peace of mind. $5 at a time, you can change your life. Start today and watch your future transform, one small step at a time. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Automate your $5 daily savings by setting up an automatic transfer to a separate savings or investment account. This way, you build wealth without even thinking about it. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only, and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.